Hey y'all, okay, we just got done talking about it's selective as far as perception goes. Let's move on to number 3. It requires memory. What? We're talking about perception. What are you talking about? Think about this. You never really be able to recognize anyone, right? If you didn't have some kind of perceptual memory. Okay, so we do a lot of matching of our incoming sensory information to our perceptual memories. Okay, that allows us to detect, let's say, when something changes in our environment. Okay, if things don't move, if they don't change, then we don't really perceive anything. If there's no change to perceive, then we don't perceive it. And we'll talk about that in just a little bit. I know that sounds confusing. Okay, so when we match incoming perceptual input to perceptual memories, it allows for things like recognition, right? Recognizing people, recognizing objects, recognizing voices, recognizing smells. Okay, those are all matching incoming stimulus to a memory of a stimulus. Okay, it also allows you to predict things. Okay, so you're standing at home plate and you're trying to predict where a ball is going to go. Charlie Brown is about to throw a ball for you. Okay, so he throws the ball and here it's coming. What you're doing is using your memory of the past position of the ball, the trajectory of the ball as you remember it, to predict where the ball is going to go next, right? So you're more likely to say that the ball is going to go here. It's not going to go there. It's not going to go there because those kinds of um, diversions in trajectory are really rare, right? So statistically speaking, based on the percept that I had previous regarding this ball and the percept that I have right now regarding this ball, I believe that the ball is going to go there. Okay, not there and not there. And that's what allows me to swing and hit. What about stuff like this? This is more along the lines of what we call discrimination in vision. So, discrimination would be impossible if we didn't have a perceptual memory. Okay, this is what we call a turnus display here. So you compare where the dot was before to where the dot was after. Okay, and that comparison gives you an idea of what's going on in this particular image. Okay, so many of you probably see this dot as switching back and forth. It's like this dot is stationary and this dot is flipping back and forth over it. Okay? Ooh. So here's a good one. Notice that your memory for this event is that this dot is stationary, right? And this dot is disappearing and reappearing. So you interpret this as this dot sort of flipping back and forth over the stationary dot. Now, okay, when we make both dots blink, okay, when this center dot blinks with the other one, you in theory no longer see this dot flipping over the center. You see two dots moving back and forth as a group. Okay? And that's because the comparison of what's currently present in perception to what just was present in your perception gives you two different interpretations of what's going on visually. All right. That's it for requires memory. We'll be back with focuses on change.